DOGZILLA-Lite, a 15 DOF bionic robot dog that integrates AI large model technology. It uses 12 PCS bus serial port servos as leg joints. Equipped with a 3 DOF robotic arm, not only can it easily handle various complex terrains and obstacles, it also has the ability to grip and carry items. DOGZILLA-Lite, deeply integrated with large language model, large voice model, large visual model, it is an embodied intelligent robot dog that combines thinking and action capabilities. Lulu, how is the weather today?
Today's weather is cloudy, temperature range of 26 or 30 degrees C. There are items on the white table.
The addition of a large visual model can accurately identify external information such as objects, people, gestures, and so on. Lulu, describe the scene in front of you.
There are items on the white table, and the overall atmosphere is simple and orderly. On the left is a red beverage can.
It can also recognize the surrounding environment through vision, understand the command intention with the help of a large language model, and complete the specified task efficiently. Lulu, take 2 steps forward, do a dance, then sit down and introduce yourself.
Take 2 steps, do a dance, sit down and talk about me. This is DOGZILLA-Lite. I can understand the world and how to interact with you. I am a real embodied intelligent robot dog.
Lulu, kick away the ball in front of you that is the same color as the leaves.
Kick away the green ball.
Combining the robotic arm with the end gripper, you can command it to accurately grasp and carry various items. Lulu, pick up the wooden block that is the same color as the sky and throw it into the trash can on the left.
Blue wooden block. Throw it into the trash can on the left.
Lulu, walk along the blue line in front of you. If you encounter an obstacle, move it away.
Tracking blue line and clear the obstacles.
DOGZILLA-Lite comes with a pre-installed GUI program, built in over 40 functions: color recognition, license plate recognition, target detection, gesture recognition, and more than 20 visual applications. Make AI interaction more interesting. Remote control through app software and built-in action group. Unleash your creativity. Design exclusive dance moves for the robot dog. It can also precisely control the robotic arm. Achieve various tasks such as gripping and handling. Not only that, users can also freely combine multiple robot dogs, achieve high-precision formation performances, unlock a variety of more interesting functions. In order to reduce the difficulties encountered by users in the learning and development process, lower the threshold for development, Yaboom have created a systematic teaching course and will provide full-cycle technical support services.